Charlotte, and I would like to read a statement that I prepared and forwarded to my representatives in Washington. I live and work in a small town in the Midwest. I worked in public accounting for 10 years, and I have helped run a small manufacturing firm for the past 14 years. So I have seen firsthand how tax policies affect both the employee and the employer. Based on that experience, I have a challenge or proposal for the current Bush administration and/or Senators Obama and McCain. I would like them to declare a tax holiday for all American employees for the months of November and December of 2008. Employees will not be required to withhold federal taxes from their employees' wages. Social Security and Medicare taxes will continue to be withheld because we do not want to affect those programs. When W-2s are prepared in January 2009, they should only include wages paid through October 2008. Otherwise, taxpayers would just be receiving a short-term loan from the government. This would provide, over the 2-month period, an immediate infusion of cash to the American taxpayers. There would be no cost to the government for cutting checks, doing direct deposits, etc. Taxpayers would realize additional cash each pay period through December. Instead of the taxes being sent to Washington, taxpayers would decide how those dollars were spent or saved. It would mean taxpayers would have additional money for a mortgage payment, a car payment, or for Christmas gifts that maybe otherwise would not have been able to afford. Our Washington representatives spent hours reaching across the aisle to come up with a plan to bail out Wall Street. Now, I think it is time for them to leave Wall Street and cross over to Main Street. We are not asking for a bailout for Main Street, but simple tax relief for 2 months out of the year, so we have some additional cash to shore up our own finances and improve our nation's economy. If the government wants this to be revenue neutral, then I suggest they either deny or postpone funding for some of the pork barrel projects that we constantly hear about during an election year. In my opinion, this small gesture would restore some faith in the American government and our representatives, as well as provide a boost to the economy when the American taxpayer begins to spend or even save the additional dollars. If you agree with my proposal, please pass it on to everyone you know and give your representatives a call. The only way we make change happen is to stick together. Remember, the Constitution, as written by our forefathers, reads, "We the people." Thank you.